My friends, they'll call me a loser, 'cause I'm still hanging around. I've heard so many rumors that I'm just a girl that you bang on your couch. I thought you taught me a better someone you couldn't lose. You say we're not together, so now when we kiss, having anger issues. You say, baby, no attachment, but we're deeply in the passenger seat, and you eating me out as a casual now. 2 weeks and your mom invites me to your Long Beach house. I know what to tell your friends. It's casual now. Baby, give me up again. It's casual. It's hard being casual when my favorite bra is in your dresser. It's hard being casual when I'm on the phone talking down your sister. I tried to be the true girl that holds your tongue and give you space, yeah. I tried to be the true girl, but honestly I'm not. Honestly I'm not.